Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPad model and iOS version so you know which fixes apply. Install the latest update and restart, because patches often fix battery bugs. Next, open Settings, tap Battery and inspect battery health plus the list of apps using power. Once done, force close any obvious high drain apps and disable background app refresh selectively. Make sure to leave critical services on. These immediate checks reveal whether the issue is app-driven or system-level, and they set up the next. Now focus on settings that actually change runtime. Reduce brightness and enable auto brightness so the display adapts. Change auto lock to 30 or 60 seconds and disable push mail using fetch at 15 minutes or manual for accounts that don't need instant updates. Remove or limit widgets and background tasks. These run constantly. Also restrict location services and Bluetooth for apps that don't need them. Once these are tightened, monitor battery usage for 24 hours to see which changes produce the biggest gains. Finish by calibrating the battery. Charge to 100%, use the iPad until it shuts down, then charge uninterrupted to 100% again. This can improve reporting accuracy. If issues remain, back up and choose Reset All Settings, then test. As a last software step, consider a DFU restore to eliminate corrupted firmware. If drain persists after these steps, or you notice swelling, overheating, or very quick discharge, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center. Those symptoms point to hardware faults rather than settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.